Nail art is not immune to the influence of trends and pop culture. Nail designs, once seen as just an accessory, have transformed into a means of personal expression and creativity. Beyond their appearance, nail designs hold great value in our daily lives, contributing to our self confidence, uniqueness, and overall happiness. In a personal context, nail art designs can convey attention to detail and professionalism depending on the design you choose. Nail art has also created significant economic opportunities. Nail salons are ubiquitous in many communities, providing employment for nail technicians and supporting local economies. It can be a canvas for showing support for various causes, whether it's a painting a flag to raise awareness for a social issue, or sporting nail art designs inspired by a beloved movie, book, or TV show. It can be an influencer also. Nail trends can spread rapidly through social media platforms and inspiring others to try new styles.